somebody and said the prophet had missed it.
Do you believe a revival's coming?
If anybody wants to go to sleep, they can go, but we're going to party.
All the way from Tanzania, ako wapi? Yo!
Jesus' disciples came back to him and he said, let's get him some food. He said, I have meat to eat that you know not of. They said, somebody give him a sandwich. Jesus said, I ain't talking about food, man.